we have uh, 25, page 51, the active and passive voice. Before we start the lesson, we are going to define the active voice. In fact, the active voice describes the sentence where the subject performs the action stands by the verb. It follows a clear subject plus verb plus object construct that's easy to read. In fact, sentences structures in the active voice add impact to writing with the passive voice. The subject is acted upon by the verb. For example, Ali breaks the window. So Ali is the subject, breaks the verb, window the object of or the noun. Meanwhile, the passive voice, we use it when you don't know who is performing an action or you don't think it's very important to say who it is. So open your books on page 51 now. I'm going to explain to you the important things about the active, passive and active voice. As you can see here, the passive voice in present case, we have the object plus be, which is verb to be, is or are, plus past participle. What we have to do to change the sentence from the active voice to passive voice. First, we need to delete the subject because it's not important. We have to bring the object. I'll put the object at the beginning of the sentence. Then we put verb to be. Then we have to change the main verb to past participle. For example, we have here active and passive. So, a reporter writes an article. This is active voice. This lesson, of course, for the second intermediate at Almutamaizeen by Hayder Alzubaidi. So, we have a reporter is subject, writes main verb, this case in present simple tense because we have s, an article object. So when we change to passive, guys, the meaning before start answering the question now. Okay. An article is written. So an article, the object, we put it at the beginning of the sentence. Then is, which is verb to be. Then we change the main verb to past participle. So all we did, we delete the subject because it's not important. Now you have 1 minute to answer question number 2. The editor edits the article. The editor is the subject, edits the main verb, the article is the object. So how we can change this active sentence to passive voice? Think and write your answer. Now I'm going to solve this sentence. So the article is edited. What we did, in fact, we delete the subject because it's not important. So we move the editor. We bring or put the object at the beginning. So we bring the article because it is the object. We put it in the beginning of the sentence. Then we put the verb is because sentence in the present simple. Then we change the main verb to past participle. Here we have another sentence. He sends it to the printing press. We need to change it to passive voice. Now you need to answer this question. Now it is sent to the printing press as we delete the main verb he and we bring the object and put at the beginning, then the, the verb to be, and we've changed the main verb to past participle, and we complete the sentence. This is about the present, so the passive voice in present simple tense. Now we move, you need to read the article in your book and answer these questions. Yes, you can see unit 5, lesson 5. We have an article. You need to read it precisely and answer the questions here. Moreover, you need to go to this page and answer all the questions answered by Google Classroom to me. So we have speak about the passive voice in the present tense. So we have the passive voice in the past tense. So if we have past tense, we use passive form, which is the rule. The object is the same rule. We put the object because we know that the action or the subject not important or less important. Then we need to pick up a verb to be like was, where instead of is and are. Then past participle for the main verb. So it's the same rule, but we just replace the is and are to was and were. So we have this sentence here. Marconi sent a radio message over distance. So a radio message was sent over a distance by Marconi. So we delete or we put the subject by using by. It's not important. So O sent. So a radio, which is the object, we put it at the beginning of the sentence. Then we put forth because it's the individual. Then we change the main verb to past participle. So now you have another one. Yeah. You need to read Unit 5, Lesson 6 and answer the questions in Activity Book AP 71 and 72 on Google Classroom. So we have finished this lesson today. I'm going to show you more videos about your book. Please follow me. Thank you so much. Hayder Alzubaidi. Thank you.